Welcome to the Yoga Sanctuary community. My name is Orlando Batista. This is your time to rest. Welcome to your non-sleep deep rest practice, a gentle space where you can soften, settle, and reconnect with your breath, your body, and your inner stillness. There is nothing you need to do here. Nowhere you need to go. Nothing you need to fix. This is your time to simply receive. Through your breath, your awareness, and deep relaxation, you begin to unwind your nervous system and return to balance. I'll gently guide your awareness inward beneath the surface of your thoughts, into that quiet space within you where deep rest naturally unfolds. Take a moment now to lie down and make yourself comfortable. You might be on the floor, on your bed, or anywhere your body can fully rest. Gather anything that supports you, a pillow under your head, a blanket over your body, maybe something soft to cover your eyes. Support your body so you feel held, safe, and completely at ease. Take your time here. There is no rush. Now begin to notice your body. Gently adjust your head, your neck. Soften your shoulders. Let your arms become heavy. Relax your hands, your fingers. Adjust your hips, your legs. Let your feet fall open, your toes soften. Allow your whole body to settle into the support beneath you. Now release any need to move and welcome stillness. Now bring your awareness to your breath. There is nothing to change yet. Just notice your inhale and your exhale. Now gently deepen your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exhale softly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue at your own pace. Slow inhale, long exhale. With every exhale, your body softens. With every exhale, you let go just a little more. Now gently bring your awareness inward. Sense a simple intention, a quiet truth you would like to plant within yourself. You might choose I am resting deeply and restoring balance. Or I feel calm, supported, and at ease. Now repeat your intention silently 3 times within your breath. Now we move your awareness through your body. As each area is named, bring your awareness there and allow it to soften. Bring your awareness to your forehead. Soften your forehead. Your right shoulder. Your right arm. Your elbow. Your wrist. The palm of your right hand. Your thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. And little finger. Your whole right hand softens. Your left shoulder, your left arm, your elbow, your wrist, the palm of your left hand, your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Your whole left hand softens. Bring awareness to your chest, your heart space. Your breath moving here. Your belly, your lower belly. Your hips, your right leg, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and toes. Your left leg, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and toes. Now sense your whole body resting, breathing, and softening. Now imagine your whole body breathing. Inhale, your whole body gently expands. Exhale, your whole body softens. Like a wave rising and falling. Continue breathing through your whole body. Let your whole body melt into stillness. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Feel your body supported beneath you. Notice the room around you. Take a deeper inhale And a long exhale. Begin to gently move your fingers, your toes. Maybe stretch your arms overhead. Take your time. If you like, you can remain here or roll gently onto one side and pause there. Notice how you feel. When you're ready, slowly come up to seated. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. And know you can return here anytime. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.